What's up sa'yo, Unbox PH? Woo! What's up, Unbox PH? What's up, Unbox PH? And my name is... What's up, Unbox PH? What's up, Unbox PH? What's up, Unbox PH? What's up, Unbox PH? And this is... So what's up, Unbox PH? And this is JE from Visayas, and I'm one of your contestants about the giveaway of the Infinix Zero 5G. Yun, Infinix Zero 5G 3035G. So, let's start. Pasensya na po guys kung hindi gaano kagaling mag-Tagalog kasi Bisaya po ako. Hope you understand it, guys. So, the first reason kung bakit ako mag-upgrade ng phone kasi yung phone na ginagamit ko ngayon, ito, pang video is sira na po. Tsaka yung LCD is, pangatlong LCD na po ito. Tas volume rockers, hindi na ma-press. Yes, hindi na po ma-pindot kasi may nasira po sa loob. Tsaka yung power button is wala na pong button. So medyo mahirap na po guys. At tsaka yung quality ng pag-video is medyo blur na din kasi 3 years na ata tong phone na to. Tsaka yung battery po nito guys is medyo buntis na. So I need to upgrade na po. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga LCD na nagamit na ito. Teka lang. Ito po ang pruweba na pangatlong LCD na tong ginagamit ko sa phone na to. Both sira na po ito guys kasi class A lang. Tsaka yeah. Madali lang siya masira pag naano sa tubig, kaya so napakagastos talaga. And that's my first reason. And the second reason and last reason is it is my very passion na gumawa ng mga contents and ipakita ko sa inyo na nagpa-vlog ako, gumagawa ako ng mga videos, funny videos, mga soon yung gaming na-practice ko pa kasi kaya hindi pa ako nag-upload ng mga gaming. Hindi naman gaano ka-master pero I'm doing my best, very best. I'm doing my very best because this is my starter pack edition, man. If I can get that phone, I'm gonna be the wonderful brother, man. This is the bonus reason, guys. The third reason is maganda yung chipset na kumpara sa phone na tong ginagamit ko ngayon. Kaya, tsaka mahilig po din ako sa gaming tulad ng ML. Siyempre sa Dota pero hindi yun sa hindi yun sa cellphone, sa PC yun. Tulad ng ML, COD, Firelight, madami. Kaya yun. So sana manalo po ako guys kasi yeah. This is my very big chance na para mag-bloom, okay? We have to stay positive guys so that our mindset will be always positive, not negative, because negative is very wrong, you know. And this is the very last reason guys na mag-upgrade ako ng phone into Infinix Zero 5G kasi that phone is very pang vlogging, tsaka yung quality ng front and back ng camera is mataas, maganda yung quality na para siyang DSLR. Quality ng video is maganda, 4K 4K video quality up na may 60 FPS, parang mamahalin na camera. So I hope na manalo ako dito sa giveaway guys, and if manalo ho ako, I will improve my contents and many more, yeah. So wish me luck guys na manalo ako dito sa giveaway na ito. So support me. Thank you. So yeah, that's the main reason guys. So that's all for today's video and see you in the announcement video. Pasensya na po guys sa Tagalog ko or sa English ko kasi hindi po magaling, pero try my very best para sa inyo guys, para maintindihan nyo kung ano ang reason ko kung bakit wow. So goodbye, Unbox PH. Sana manalo po ako. This is a peace out.